Right, guys. So I'm going to show you what we're doing here. If we have a look on, I'll show you on both. I'll show it on here on my live account, and I'll show you here on TradingView, because everyone's got TradingView. So if we look here, sometimes it's good to always zoom out, right? I like to zoom out. We've got a fucking beautiful area here, right, where it can come in and hit. Now I'll zoom back in and show you the actual zones. If we look here, we've got my fucking all-time favourite, small candle, large engulfing, breakaway, come back for the retest, reject, and melt, right? What else have we got in here? We've got the 200 EMA, fucking happy days, and it's a higher time frame. On top of that, Euro is massively fucking bearish, right? Overall, in the grand scheme of things, and USD, in the grand scheme of things, is bullish. However, I know you're going to be saying, well, how the fuck can that be happening, Ryan? Because there's a massive fucking candle here, and if you go to the 4 hour, and on all the Euro pairs, it looks like Euro is flying, right? And it is that initial small fly. Excuse me. However, it is important to understand where that's coming from. It's coming from this. The Eurozone is fucked. There's nothing good about it whatsoever. It's completely fucked. However, sorry, what am I talking about here? Here we go. Bonds. Everyone's buying bonds. See that? Every fucker's buying the Euro bonds. Why are they buying bonds? Because the Eurozone is fucked. When the Eurozone's fucked, the bonds are cheap. Everyone's trying to buy in cheap. It's making the bonds fly. In order to buy bonds, you must purchase the bonds in the currency of the bonds that you wish to buy. So everyone has to purchase them in euro. When there's this fucking, look at the size of that, look, massive buys for the euro bonds means massive demand for the euro currency. When there's a massive demand for the euro currency, it gives the euro this false strength. Okay, so that's where it's coming from. In case you're like, fucking hell, this cunt's taught me to look for fundamentals. I look for fundamentals. They're all weak. A euro's fucking flying. So fundamentals are a load of shit. It's not. That's all it is. It's just that because the euro is so shit, everyone's buying up the bonds because they're cheap as fuck. And that creates the strength, right? Or that micro strength. You get the micro and the macro, right? So it creates that micro strength. Now, where was I there? Let me just jump back. Euro USD, if we have a look at prime market terminal, USD bullish, Euro bearish, and that's across all fronts. That's across all fronts. But obviously, just when it says it here, doesn't mean you just jump in fucking right away, right, and grab it. So, this is my favourite zone right here. We've got the small candle, large engulfing. If we do our fib, we take it from the top down to the bottom. What have we got is bang in the 618. So this is in the 618. Could you enter the trade now? You could, but it's a high risk trade. Why? Because you've got no confirmation yet. You'd be taking a sell into a buying candle. The last candle was a fucking major buy, so you'd be taking a very high risk trade. So what I've done is your two potential areas, right, are here, the 618, or even better still, up here if it comes up here for a deeper retest, better area of value than 786. Also, what's the thing that Dr. David Paul always says, well, always said before he fucking died? Think about where everyone's got their stop losses, which is going to be about here. Why is that? Because if people are entering this now, right, most people that are entering right now are just going to put the stop losses here, right? So there's massive liquidity in this zone here because there's a fucking mountain of amateur stop losses here, and then other people are going to put their stop losses right behind here. We are going to put ours like up here, so you've got that good kickback, right? So if it comes up, and I'll just go onto my live account and show you because I've already set it. Here we go. You can see this here. It's like a sell order, right? So this green line here is where I've set the entry. So if this comes up here, bang, and touches this, it's going to enter me in a trade. My stop loss is up here. It's fucking miles away. How many pips is that? Let me see. It's 208 pips away. That's it. Doesn't look far, but it's if you go to the 4 hour time frame, whatever, that's fucking miles away, right? So I like to go by what Dr. David Paul says because his fucking method's awesome in terms of entries. He always puts his entries where the masses have put the stop losses. So stop losses, if they're going to enter here right now, could be here, or stop losses are going to be, around about this zone here. So he likes to put his entry there, so I put my entry there. Stop loss above, and take profit down here because there's another small candle, large engulfing. And for your take profit, if you also go in the opposite direction, let's just say it was up here. You've got down here is the 786 to take it in the opposite direction. So it's a great area of value if it comes down here to retest that and start going into buys again. That's where I've got my TP. So this is a great entry here. Now, it may not. Let me just zoom in. It may not go here. Oh, fuck off! What's happening now? There we go. Ah, for fuck's sake! This is what I hate about these screens. This is why I can't wait until iQuoto have got an actual their own trading platform. MT5 shit. Okay. So I've got my my sell order set up here, right? What I'm going to do is, you could also place another sell order below here if you wished, right? I'm not going to do it, but I'm going to show you. Aye, fuck off. Oh, there we go. Okay, so you can then put your stop up here. Excuse me. Wait, I'm going to move the green to down here, and this orange is obviously that's where the trade would for fuck's sake, that's where the trade would initiate, right? So you could then put this below here. It then tells you 249 pip stop loss. I'd lose 373 quid. If it has my take profit, you'd be up 700 quid. So that's, yes, 1 to 2, right? So that's fine. Well, roughly near enough. I'd be happy to take that. And yeah, you could, oh, for fuck's sake, you could hit that enter right now for that, obviously, because look, if that just keeps going up, you're not in the trade, right? But if something happens and this just goes fuck off and starts flying, and it doesn't come up here and initiate this trade, then you've still caught the trade on its way back down. You see what I'm saying? So you could do both of them if you wish. All right. I might do that, actually. I'm still going to think about it, but I might do it. But this is where I've got my initial one. If anyone wants it, what I'll do right now, since I've already done this video, I will now give it to the lads. So hold on. 1 sec. What is that saying now? Hold on. This tab is using extra resources to improve your performance. Make it inactive. Dismiss. No thanks. Right, let me just mail the guys. Where are we? Where is the signals? Okay. So that's Euro, USD, sell order. Entry is 11726. For fuck's sake, 1.11726. Stop loss is 1.13811, and take profit is 104163. Yeah, just monitor price action. Let's say 1 to 4 weeks, because it could be a long one. Did everyone? I noticed there's a couple of more guys on here. Andreas and Jeff, did you guys see where I would potentially, for fuck's sake, where I would potentially place the second one? Why is that happening?
Hey, I didn't, mate. No, I just came in there.
No worries, I'll show you right now. So, this is obviously the first one I've set up, right? So, therefore, I always love the thing that Dr. David Paul says. He loves to put his entries where the masses put the stop loss. So, the first stop losses are going to be around this area here. If this was the entry, right, people are going to have their stop losses round about here. Above this is a previous high. Above the previous high, which means there's loads of... If anyone's entered this trade right now, which tons of people would have... there's going to be tons of fucking liquidity here, right? So I would expect this to come up and at least come to here and go down. So if it does that, then I've missed this entry, right? Because if it just starts fucking melting from here, then I've missed it. So if you want to, you know, not miss it and preempt for it, what you could do is, I'll show you right now. Let me set this up. You could, where's the green? Bring it down here. This orange line is obviously where the trade would kick in. You could set another sell order for here, so that if this one comes up, it's not going to stop you out because it hasn't been activated yet. And then once, if anything happens, that it does come up here and then it just goes fuck off and starts ripping away, then you haven't missed the trade to the downside because it will activate once you get here. You just, the only thing you can give away on is it's not a very good price. You know, if it comes up here, blah blah blah, you don't get the best price, but at the same time, you don't miss the fucking trade. You know, so I guess that's you could set that up now if you wish. So that is 383, and you'd make 715. So it's roughly a 1 to 2. I would still take it.
Right, okay, no worries, mate.
And that is it. I'm still humming and hawing whether to take whether to set that. Let me just have a look because I've already set one, which I'm happy with. I didn't set it there, by the way. I just fucking removed it. This is a beautiful area. Look, small candle, large engulfing. This is fucking beautiful. So this could go. It honestly could go, but there will be a large amount of liquidity up here. Let's have a look at the monthly. Look, see, this is why I like it as well. Look, on the monthly, that's fucking beautiful. Look. Small candle, large engulfing, break a wave, get massive bullish. I think it could pull up here, hit this zone, and then go. So I'm going to leave this one for now. I'm just going to let this one run to potentially hit this and knock us into the game. If it doesn't, then I'll obviously enter it myself. If this just starts running tomorrow, what you'll see is, right, you're not going to miss it. So what you'll see in the downside is, I will show you. Let's go to the daily. So let's say you've got a small candle here, large engulfing. Let's say it pulls off and it just starts melting from here. What it'll do is you get the big boom, you get the big melt, and then it'll give you this again. Bang. There'll be a small candle, large engulfing, somewhere around here. It'll hit and then it'll just go bang, 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 and it'll just fuck off. So we'll just grab it, you know, one of these places, not too bothered. And I always prefer to grab it when there is a retest. It always keeps you in good stead, but look, if you look at oil, you will find the odd trade where I always say no retest, no entry, right? And if we look at oil, let's go to the weekly. I don't know if any of you remember being on the live. I know Big Brian McGuire was on it. We literally saw oil as this doji was playing out, you know, and as this was passing. And I was like, right, lads, we'll just wait for the candle to come down. We'll wait for a retest, reject that zone, and then we'll enter and then we go. And you never got it, you know. And I always say, if there's no retest, there's no entry. But you could, you know, we could have caught that, shoulda, woulda, coulda. I was waiting for a retest. And sometimes you just don't get it. However, if you look at how many times you do get a retest on a trade, it's very, very unlikely that you don't get a retest, you know. So you win some, you lose some. But it always keeps you safe. See, going by the, you know, no retest, no entry, always fucking keeps you safe. This is right here. My ideal setup, breaks away, small candle, large engulfing, breaks away, comes back up, tests that exact zone, and fucking away it goes. That's like picture perfect. Same again, breaks away, small candle, large engulfing, comes back up for the retest that zone, goes away. It's fucking absolutely beautiful. This here is picture perfect. Look right here, it's picture perfect right now. Just need to wait and see what it does. But when you look on the monthly, it does look as if, look, it can test this zone here. Bang, back up. It's even better value, 786 fib, and then fucking away we go. So let's see. We haven't missed it. I've already got that set up. You guys have got the numbers in there now. If you want to copy it, and let's see what happens. If we don't get this, it's just like we said here. If we don't, what the daily. So let's just say my entry's set for up here, right? Hold on. Let's just say my entry's set for up here. If we don't get it, and it just goes like this, boom, boom, that's fine. We'll just wait for that. Next retest, bang, and away we go. We'll just enter about here. That's it. All right. Excuse me. So we don't have to worry about it. Let's have a quick swatch before we go. See if there's anything else briefly. I've got the weekly. quick run through it and then we'll crack on. It'll literally be 2 minutes, you know, fly through it. Nope. 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 Nope, not yet. Nope, I need to pull back. Nearly Euro CHF for sale. So wait, I'm going to put that in my book. Euro CHF for sales. I'm going to make that blue so I remember to look at it. Let me have a look at these. Is there any here? Okay, that's fine. I'm going to take that off because it's not near. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Give me a second, lads. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. But we're getting there. We just need to break and retest. Nope. 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 GBP USD, yes, it's not quite as juicy yet as it's not quite as close to the euro yet, but here it is. And then look, there's a counter trend trade. Remember I said to you guys before, look, see if you are happy to take counter trend trades, and you literally, if you fucked off completely fundamentals, right, and you literally marked up areas of value like small candle, large engulfing within an area of value, i.e. the 618 fib or the 786 fib, and you just went, fuck it, I'm going to take the trades, you would catch some fucking brilliant trades, you know. But just part of my rules, I don't take counter trend trades. I just wait for the trend. But look how it's fucking banging how often it works. It's unreal. Nothing yet. I'm going to take shit. I'll keep it on, but it's shit. Nothing. 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 My method isn't always this boring, guys. You normally get a good few trades, at least 2 good ones a month, you know. It's just the way it is right now. So just to quickly cover, look, you get periods of, oh fuck's sake, you get periods of inflation, right? You get periods of stagflation, and then you get periods of deflation, you know. We're just in a period of stagflation right now. That's all it is. It's been like that since fucking November. And that is honestly all it is. It's just a period of stagflation, and that's why markets are so wank. Right, sorry. We just need to bide the time. So what's this? USD CHF. Still no time to buy it yet. It's in a decent zone. It's at 500, but it could pull deeper. I'd love to see it pull down to this one, the 786. Let's see. We haven't seen any real strength yet from the USD to tell us that it's going to go that way. Let's just have a quick look. DXY. Sorry, is that BX? Sorry, I was wrong. DXY. Yeah, still haven't seen any signs of strength yet. So we could come down to this next key level. So just wait. I mean, it could go here, but it could come down to this next key level. So we'll wait and see what happens, and then potentially what we're going to get on USD CHF would be, I would say, potentially buys from down here would be lovely. I'm going to take this off because I don't want to confuse people. But yeah, I'm going to take this away. It's just too cluttered. That's fine. I'd love to see it come back down here to 786, guys, and then we will take the buys. Wait, I'll move this because it's now there. That's the best area. Oil quickly. You can't take oil because it looks in a massive area of support. We need a pullback, or we need to break, retest, and go. Oh, it should. Why is that there? Should be like that. There we go. Gold. I would only be buying it. Silver. I would only be buying it, but there's nothing there yet. Copper. Definitely want to buy it, but look, I never caught that one the other day. I think because was it Friday? I wouldn't be entering it now. Look, what's this? 4 hour. Well, even this morning, fuck, when you think about it, we're there 8 hours. Fuck, we could have caught that this morning. Bastardo. I missed that because I've been over at the office all day because people are fucking dropping stuff off and starting the wallpaper and the blinds and blah blah blah. Fuck's sake. Let's have a look. I mean, I'm not bothered because it was at the end of the run anyway, you know, so we haven't, it's not like we missed the main event. We've just missed a little bit of the end of the run. Let's see. Many's that? Well, you can't enter it now, so we'll just wait. Many 12,000. So 12,000 is what, 1,000 pips. So that's fucking spicy as well. 1,200 pips. Let's see how this next daily candle closes. If it closes, I mean, we're banging this zone, which is shit. Let's see how it pans out. But don't be... personally, I wouldn't be jumping in to buy it right now. Fuck that. Because you're buying straight into resistance, right? So I wouldn't bother. I'd just wait. But yeah, Euro USD, guys, is the next one we'll be on. And let me just check it. Weekly. Right, there we go. So you know now where to do it. If you want to add that second one, you can. Obviously, add the second thingy below it. You put your sell order down here, your sell order here, pending order down here, your stop loss. You can put it above here or above there if you wish, and then away it goes. But I'm fairly confident in the initial one that we've set just now because there'll be massive liquidity here. Let's have a quick look at GBP USD. Let's have a look at the data very quickly, and then we'll just finish this video off. Come on. Overview. Why is it doing that? More push towards sales, seasonality. What we in? March and April, sales. Dumb in the index. Right, dumb in the index are predominantly in sales right now, right? Now, retailers are generally the bank's fucking liquidity, right? The banks use them to fucking wipe them all out, their stop losses. So if they're in sales right now, that's good in terms of how my thinking has been set. Like I said, I think it's going to pull up deeper to that higher zone, which would be great. If it then pushed above that zone, what you will potentially then see is this will switch. You'll see the pink and the green go like that and cross over, right? Excuse me, you'll see it cross over, and you'll see the retailers start going into buys. This pink will start melting down here, and the green will start flying up here, and it will create a crossover that retailers are now all in buys. And when that happens, you will see that COT will just fucking lump in the sales, and it will just melt. I think COT are actually still in sales just now at the moment as well, which is why I haven't entered. Come on. Why is it taking so long? Maybe because that's wrong. Anyway, there. COT. Right, they're predominantly in sales. Let me just have a look. Euro, I didn't see that. Straight euro sales, leverage funds, long USD. Long USD's increased. Oh, look at that! Look! Buys in USD has massively increased. Do you see that? And buys on the euro has massively decreased. Look. So that also tells us that we are potentially seeing that play out. Look, this is now went to -8, and that's went up to 10. So what that means is, when this is at the minus, they are adding to the USD and deducting from the euro, essentially, right? So i.e. sell. So this is exactly what I'm anticipating. I think this is going to shoot up, guys. They'll create more liquidity. This will go, come up here, bang. It'll hit us into the fucking order. It'll come up for a wee, it'll come up here, pull back, shoot up for a wee liquidity grab, and then just go fuck off. Bang, bang, bang. And it'll just put people in the wrong trade, and it'll just fucking melt. So, let's just wait and see how that plays out. And that's pretty much it. If anyone's got any questions, let me know, guys. If you missed the entry, just remember it's here in the signals. In fact, I'm going to update that just to put at everyone to make sure everyone sees it, and I'll copy it and I'll put it in the trading chat as well. Where are we? Bosh. There we go. All right. Anyone get any questions, or are we good to go there?
All good, mate. All good.
Okay. Nice one, lads.
All good. Cheers, mate.
Nice one, guys. Have a great day. If anything happens where I end up in the trade, I will let you know. All right. Have a good one.
No worries, mate. Cheers.
Take care, lads. Bye bye.
See you, mate.